No physical affliction strikes more fear in the hearts of men and women than the big C disease of cancer. And the dread is not nearly as much on the ailment itself than on the prohibitive cost of treatment. A recent poll indicates that 7 of 10 Filipinos discontinue treatment because of financial limitations. The latest PhilHealth expanded coverage program, whose launch the president led earlier today, will help reverse the numbers, as our Kenneth Paciente reports.
As part of the government's commitment to strengthen health services for all, the Yaman ng Kalusugan program para malayo sa sakit or PhilHealth Yakap was officially launched, led by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. PhilHealth Yakap is an enhanced version of the Konsultasyong Sulit at Tama or Konsulta program, now with even broader coverage. From free checkups and basic laboratory tests to access to medicines. The President emphasized that this is the government's way of bringing healthcare closer to communities, so medical needs can be addressed early and condition can be prevented from worsening.
Napakalayo ng ating malalaking ospital doon sa kanilang pinanggagalingan. At kaya napakahirap makapunta kahit na may kaunting nararamdaman, ay sabi hindi na bale dahil napakalayo. Kailangan ko maghanap ng mag-alaga ng mga bata, hindi kailangan ko mag-off sa trabaho, kaya magbabayad ako ng pamasahe, lahat-lahat. Kaya kaya namin sabi, pagdating dito sa amin, sa ospital, malala na masyado ang karamdaman nila. Kailangan ibaba ang healthcare natin na hindi lamang sa malalaking ospital, kung hindi sa mga maliliit na mga clinic.
Under Yakap, free cancer screening for members is also included, available at selected and accredited health facilities using a valid prescription from primary care providers.
Nagdagdag tayo ng mga testing, kagaya ng naipaliwanag ng ating yung mga tagapagsalita kanina, ay marami na 13 laboratory tests, 6 na cancer screening, kabilang na rin ang mammogram, liver ultrasound, low-dose chest CT scan, colonoscopy, at pati na yung gamot. Binawasan natin at dinagdagan natin ang mga gamot mula sa 54 na gamot, naging 75 na ang gamot na covered ngayon ng PhilHealth.
Some PhilHealth members welcomed this development.
Malaking tulong talaga siya para hindi siya not pwedeng prevention or maagapan. Imbes sa stage 4, stage 1 pa lang, stage 2 pa lang, kaya na siyang ma-detect.
Maabot po ako ng mga 6, 7 kasi consultation pa lang po, nasa 1,000 na eh. So, plus the medicines. Since ngayon, makaka-avail na po kami ulit, plus your care center, mas malaking tulong po ang ma-avail namin.
Alongside this, the President said that PhilHealth is continuing its efforts towards digitalization to eliminate long lines and encourage the public to download the eGovPH Super App for easy access to the Yakap program and other government services. Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.